Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset Mercusys router. And to do this, first we'll need to take a look on the back of our router where the power is. Make sure that it's connected to the power source and on, and then there's this button. Now remember that it's right here and keep your finger on it. Turn to the other side where you can see the LED lamps on LED lamp indicators, and click and hold this button now for around 20 seconds. As you can see, system lamp starts blinking. Now they will blink all at the same time, and that means we can let go of the button and the factory reset is complete. Your router will reboot and you'll have the default settings on it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.